Guys, kain po tayo guys. Ito pong almusal namin, biscuit lang po at saka kape. Meron lang yung mga mayaman, masarap ang almusal kami ngayon dito. Biscuit lang, tipid ba? Tipid sa rice. So, don't forget to subscribe my Philip Chanalisa, my channel. And please like and share and push the notification bell so that you can follow me always. Kain po tayo guys. Thank you for watching.